Are you tired of the same old exercise routine? Are you looking for a simple and effective workout? Welcome to the world of jumping rope. This seemingly simple activity is more than just a childhood pastime. It's an exercise powerhouse that doesn't require expensive equipment or a lot of space. Imagine an exercise routine that's fun, efficient, and can be done virtually anywhere. Intrigued? If you're ready to shake up your fitness routine, stick around to learn about the amazing benefits of jumping rope. First off, jumping rope is an incredible cardiovascular exercise. It's an activity that's not just for kids on the playground, but a powerful tool for strengthening your heart. When you jump rope, your heart rate increases. This is because your cardiovascular system is working harder to pump blood and deliver oxygen throughout your body. As you continue to jump rope regularly, your heart becomes stronger and more efficient at this process. Over time, this can lead to lower resting heart rates and blood pressure. But the benefits don't stop there. Jumping rope is also a fantastic way to increase your stamina. The high-intensity nature of this exercise challenges your cardiorespiratory endurance, helping you to breathe easier during other physical activities. It's like a turbo boost for your energy levels. Moreover, the intensity of jumping rope can be adjusted to match your fitness level. Beginners can start slow with a low-intensity routine, gradually increasing the pace as they become more comfortable. For those who are more advanced, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, with the jump rope can take your fitness to new heights. And let's not forget the overall fitness boost. From strengthening your legs to improving your coordination and agility, jumping rope is a full-body workout. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your body in top shape. So, if you're looking to boost your cardiovascular health, jumping rope might be just the exercise you need. Now let's talk about weight loss. Did you know that jumping rope could help you shed those extra pounds? Yes, indeed, it's a powerful weapon in your weight loss arsenal. Jumping rope is a high-intensity cardio workout that can help you burn calories at a rapid rate. In fact, it's one of the most efficient calorie-burning exercises out there. Just imagine, in merely 10 minutes of jumping rope, an average person can burn approximately 100 to 120 calories. That's the equivalent of a brisk 30-minute walk or 20 minutes of moderate-intensity cycling. But what makes it even more impressive is that it engages your whole body. From your legs powering each jump, your core maintaining balance, to your arms controlling the rope, every part of you is working hard. This full-body engagement means you're not only burning calories, but also toning your muscles simultaneously. Moreover, unlike running or cycling, jumping rope is a low-impact exercise. It's easier on your joints, meaning you can do it for longer periods without risking injury. And let's not forget the convenience factor. A jump rope is portable, inexpensive, and can be used virtually anywhere. No need for a gym membership or fancy equipment, just you, your jump rope, and a bit of space. In short, if your goal is to lose weight, jumping rope is an efficient and fun way to do it. But the benefits of jumping rope don't stop there. There's more to this simple yet powerful exercise than meets the eye. You see, jumping rope isn't just about getting your heart rate up and burning calories. It's also a fantastic way to improve your coordination and agility. When you're jumping rope, you're constantly adjusting your body's position in space, and your brain is actively engaged in making those adjustments. This not only increases your physical agility, but also sharpens your mind, improving your overall coordination. And did you know that jumping rope can also enhance your bone density? Yes, you heard it right. This weight-bearing exercise stimulates bone growth, making them denser and stronger, which is particularly important as we age. But perhaps one of the most overlooked benefits of jumping rope is its impact on mental health. The rhythmic, repetitive motion of jumping rope can have a calming effect, almost like a form of meditation. It can help reduce stress and anxiety and boost your mood. Plus, as a form of exercise, it releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain that naturally lift your spirits. It's a great way to clear your mind, focus on the moment, and just let go of any worries. So as you can see, jumping rope is not just a physical workout, it's a mental workout too. So why not give it a try? The only thing you have to lose is stress, and what you stand to gain is a healthier, happier you. Now that you know all the benefits, are you ready to give jumping rope a try? We've been through the heart-healthy virtues of the humble jump rope. We've seen how this simple but effective exercise can stimulate weight loss, and we've even explored the additional benefits that come with it. Now it's your turn to experience these benefits firsthand. Imagine just 10 minutes of your day dedicated to this exercise. It's less time than it takes to watch your favorite sitcom or to scroll through social media, but the impact of those 10 minutes, it's colossal, it's a game changer, it's life-enhancing. Starting a new exercise routine can be daunting, and it's okay if you're feeling a bit apprehensive. The key here is to start slow. It's not about how fast you can jump, but about establishing a rhythm, a flow. Your heart will thank you for it, and so will your waistline. Choosing the right jump rope is also important. Look for one that's appropriate for your height. When you stand on the middle of the rope, the handles should reach your armpits. This will ensure a comfortable and effective workout. Now you might stumble, you might trip, and that's completely okay. Even the best athletes have their off days. What's important is that you get back up and keep going. Because every jump, every heartbeat, every bead of sweat is a step towards a healthier, fitter you. You're not just jumping rope, you're jumping towards a healthier heart, a lighter body, and a stronger spirit. With each jump, you're defying gravity, you're defying your limits, you're defying the odds. So pick up that jump rope. Feel its weight in your hands. Listen to the swish as it cuts through the air. Let it become a part of your daily routine, a part of your life. Remember, consistency is key, so why not pick up a jump rope and start jumping your way to better health today?